Hello, guys. Amid China EV market turmoil, HIGH-PHI struggles, Evergrande falters, while NIO thrives, overshadowing competitors in performance and stability. In China, there is a downturn in the electric vehicle market, and competitors are facing a downfall, but this seems to go unnoticed. You guys might not be aware of this, so I'm talking about it to keep you informed. Do you remember that company, HIGH-PHI? Well, it seems like they are not doing well lately. Their nearest store in Beijing's Shiny District has closed down, and Li Auto has absorbed it, which was in partnership with HIGH-PHI. The shocking part is that they claim to owe money to their suppliers, and the suppliers are standing outside HIGH-PHI headquarters with banners saying, "Pay us our money, please pay us." They are also saying that employees haven't been paid. All right, these are all online rumors, but there might be some truth to it. And around HIGH-PHI, people are saying that it's a big drama. They have reduced their workforce from 20% to 50%, stopped providing food in the cafeteria, and apparently, the money on the cafeteria cards has been frozen. The situation is so bad that they have even stopped giving free parking to employees. What? And there are rumors that they are struggling with financial difficulties in China. I mean, I wouldn't be too surprised. They sold only 573 HIGH-PHI vehicles in November out of a total of 696 vehicles sold. Just think about it. If NIO delivered only 600 or 700 vehicles in a month, that would be considered absurd. But this is HIGH-PHI. I hope they will get through this difficulty, but it seems that they are facing challenges, mostly different from those associated with their success. The next brand on the list was initially part of NIO, and it was the GAC NIO brand. After completely disassociating from NIO, it was rebranded as Hakan. This is a smart move. In just the month of November, they managed to sell 520 cars. Can you imagine NIO selling only 520 cars in a month? That would be dangerous. Moving on to the famous Chinese brand, Evergrande or Evergrande Motors, and Hakan Motors. All right, they have delivered only around 1,000 cars so far, ever. Okay, so it's worse than the previous one. Only 1,000 cars in total. They had actually requested a $500 million US dollars investment by the end of 2023 from Dubai, where 28% would be owned by the company. Clearly, they realized investing in Hakan wasn't a good idea. It should be in NIO. Yeah, it's definitely not a scam. 28% share for $500 million in a company that has only sold 1,000 cars. What? I was told that the entire system of Hakan Motors is just a way for Evergrande to obtain debt, capital, and money because everything is sinking for Evergrande, and they are creating an excuse to make cars and make money. So it's all a deception. But yeah, that's Hakan. I've never seen a Hakan car in China. Never. The next one is an American brand, Faraday Future. They received their delisting notice just a few days ago. Their stock has plummeted by 98%, standing at only $0.23. In just the last 6 months, it has dropped by 98%. What? Obviously, investors have lost trust in the company. They have delivered only about 100 cars in total. No one is actually buying these. It's really disheartening to hear. It seems like their future path will also be very challenging. Now, let's talk about rising auto Fed fund in comparison to NIO battery swap. As people are considering stealing NIO thunder because they also have a battery swap and some swap stations. But look at their numbers, only 1749. All right, the real reason is that they are all under SAIC, the big Shanghai automobile company, and their brother brand M Motors, which should have been in the 300K territory, but they have dropped in pricing and entered the 200K territory, capturing market share for themselves. At this price point, from 200K to 250K, if people are not buying Tesla, they will choose between M Motors or Rising Auto. So it seems like nothing will happen with their battery swap. And this tells me that NIO will become the boss and offer a better swap for sure. Rising Auto had said that they will build 4,000 swap stations by 2025. What a joke, they have so few cars. How will they build so many swap stations? I don't understand. Their battery swapping capability is much smaller than NIO. Maybe they will have 30 to 40 swap stations. I haven't checked, but that might be their count in the whole of China. All right, in China, NIO can learn something from them. For example, during NIO battery swap, the screen turns off, AC stops, music stops in their cars, while in rising auto battery swapping, this doesn't happen. Now, NIO knows about this and is trying to make this experience better. NIO will soon bring these features, but this video is saying that NIO deliveries are boss. You might not be happy about it, but NIO deliveries are absolutely boss. In the realm of electric vehicles, when it comes to luxury EV, others seem to be lagging behind. All right, let's talk about HIGh-PHI. HIGh-PHI is a car that looks good with some gimmicky features inside, but let's be clear, it's not in the same league as a car like NIO, even though the pricing is similar. In this video, we're discussing the ES6, and the conclusion here is that the next 2 years will be quite intense. There are more companies that are likely to face challenges. In this video, we've talked about some other companies that could potentially struggle. However, the CEO of NIO has stated that the next 2 years will be tough and challenging. He's prepared for a fierce and brutal battle. This gives me a lot of confidence. Indeed, NIO is doing quite well in terms of deliveries. So, the key takeaway here is that NIO is performing strongly while competitors are falling behind. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more stock predictions and market insights. Remember to turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Happy investing and see you in the next video.